Morning market minute on this May 19th. It's a Tuesday, 2015. S&P 500 futures off to record highs. Look at that, just before the European markets open for trade. The long-term chart, yeah, this is something you want to short, huh? You're just playing with fire there, folks. The trend remains firmly to the upside. Something that is not remaining firmly to the upside is the bond market. Look at the TLT 20-year bond treasury ETF. Pulling back yesterday, and a lot of people last week were talking about a bottom, but it's broken through decidedly two long-term trend lines. Now resting here, consolidating. It's down actually under the 119 figure, looking for some sort of a bear flag and a continuation down to support here at about 100. It's pretty wild. We'll see if the market can maintain its gains in the face of this pullback for the bond market. U.S. dollar index, look at this. I was talking about this yesterday in the morning market video about a bounce, and sure enough, we're getting a bounce to 1% rallies and 1% plus rallies in the U.S. dollar index, getting up to former highs that we saw at the start of the year. This beautiful pennant pattern that broke to 100. Is this going to be a head and shoulders topping pattern for the U.S. dollar index? And we're going to see a significant move to the downside. Something to watch would be the euro, because we have Greece still in the headlines. You can see the euro pulling back since really crude oil. The crash for crude oil, precisely when the U.S. dollar index started to really gain momentum, June of last year. Now starting to bounce. Is this a W bottom here for the euro dollar, which would imply the U.S. dollar index is going to fall, and we could see the euro recover some of its losses. Something else to watch this morning, Home Depot. You can see it closed at 114, but Home Depot is up over the 117 level, looking for a new all-time record high this morning. We have earnings reports continuing to come out this week from the likes of Best Buy and Hewlett-Packard and Salesforce.com. Look at Hewlett-Packard, actually, analyst out this morning, I believe Morgan Stanley, talking negatively about Hewlett-Packard and and Intel. Intel, actually, if you look for a longer-term perspective on Intel, head and shoulders topping pattern forming here. Look at this. So we'll see if we get a move back down into the 20s for Intel. UPBOptionMillionaires.com. I'll see you in the chat room. Everyone have a great day.